What's up guys, it's the Cubing Duck back with another video, and in this one we have an unboxing from cubelittle.com. Getting with the unboxing, I would quickly like to thank all of you for 100 subscribers and also 1000 total views. This is actually amazing, and also 60% of you are not subscribed to me. So if you're watching this video and you're not subscribed to me, be sure to, and without any further ado, let's get on with the unboxing. Here we have the package from cubelittle.com, and let's get on with the unboxing. So in here we have the Gan 11M Pro along with the YuPo 2x2. Cube will also decide to send me a cube stand. Pretty cool, I guess. So these are the two cubes. So this is the YuPo M2x2 and the 11M Pro. This is the box which the cube comes in. As you can see, it has a really nice shine to it. I don't think the camera can capture it, but this is the cube box, and let's get on with opening it. So in here we have this Gan 11M Pro card, I guess. Pretty cool. It says $5 for a beginner tutorial, or you can get one for free. Here we have the 11M Pro accessory box. We'll look into that later. And now let's get on with the cube. So this is the box it comes in. Pretty cool. And you just have to click on the Gan logo so that it pops open. So here we have the cube, and I've ordered the one with the black internals instead of primary because I think it just looks cooler. And let's get on with the first turns. So let's quickly check out the middle layers too. Seems pretty good and smooth. I mean, it's a really nice cube. It has a very soft feel to it. I'm upgrading from a Walk M to this, and it feels really nice. And I've also had a SM as my main previously, and I've tried the XS also, and it feels very similar to the XS. It's a really nice cube, I guess, and the shades look pretty good as well, I guess. And the magnets definitely feel really stable and good. I'll check out the accessory box later and I'll see what suits my preference. And these are the shades. It's a pretty nice cube. The corner cutting feels really good. I mean, let's just test it out. So it should be able to do this much at least. Yeah, that was pretty easy. And a bit more. And maybe here. And let's just see if it does line to line. So here, line to line, let's see it. It locks up a bit here, but if it can cut around this much, that means the smaller cuts like this one, can't believe I'm calling this a small corner cut, but it can do these pretty smoothly. Like you can hear there's literally no sound here. The corner cutting is by far the best I've seen in any cube. Out of the box, the cube feels too loose, and I'll mess about with the settings later and I'll let you know what I like. So this is the accessory box that comes along with the cube, and let's just check it out. So in here, it looks like we have a Gan pouch. Yeah, that's a Gan pouch. That's pretty cool. So I mean, you want to keep your 6,000 rupees cube safe. So here's a nice little Gan pouch. And in here we have a Gan manual. I'm not going to open it. It's really big. So this is the manual that comes along with the cube. And in here we also have this manual, which I think explains about the GES and the adjustable magnets of the 11M. And in here I think should be the adjustable magnets for the corners. So yes, I looked around a bit, and these are the blue ones are the adjustable cores for the 11M, and it also has these adjustable magnets which are the core to corner magnets which are featured in the 11M. I removed a corner and an edge. So this is the corner magnet, as you can see here. This is the magnet. It is a triangle shaped, and in the box there are hexagon shapes and I guess circle shaped, I'm not sure. And these are the adjustable magnets, so you can just stick them to one side to adjust the magnet strength. And it has a honeycomb design, as Gan has been doing in the recent cubes. And this is the edge piece, pretty basic. with smooth sides to the magnets and the honeycomb inside. And here we have the YJ YuPo version 2M, which is a magnetic 2x2. As my previous Moyu LinkPo was not a magnetic cube, so I also need a magnetic 2x2 as I've been learning CLL. This is the YJ YuPo version 2M with primary internals, and let's get in the first turns. So out of the box, the cube feels really dry. I don't think it's pre-lubed like the 11M. Let's just quickly check out the corner cutting on this. So I guess here should be able to, yeah, pretty neat. And about here, oh, that's really good. And it locks up just about here. And we'll just quickly see reverse. So here, yeah, it can do it easily. And about here, no, I don't think that's possible on this. So about here, yeah, about here is the limit for it, and beyond that, it can't corner cut. Overall, it's a pretty satisfactory cube, and I'm really happy with it. And it is my new 2x2 main, of course. Thank you all so much again for 100 subscribers and also 1000 total views. This is actually insane, and thank you all so much. I'm on my road to hit 200 subscribers soon. Stay tuned, and peace out.